merienda kanina. So nakita, inaantok ako.
It's nice in your city. Because we're from Manitoba. And
Okay.
like our trees doesn't have leaves yet.
Yeah,
It's still sometimes in the morning it was frozen.
And there's a very greenery here in the BC.
Yeah.
But you're enjoying life.
Yeah.
At least
We're not
na-experience
wasting.
niya na makapag-play sa PC.
Ano, why not? Gusto mo pumasok dito sa Vancouver? They have a beautiful one.
It feels like we're in Edmonton.
Yeah. See, look at the Rockies. Why not? Look. The Rocky Mountain. Is that the oval?
Yeah.
Yeah, galing tayo doon kanina.
Yeah.
Parang ang plan ata ngayon, pagkakainan muna sila ng lunch.
Oo.
Tapos ano ata yung mag-board games.
Magsasama-sama pa daw sila sa lunch.
Hindi, parang hindi nga nila alam kung ano-ano, nagtatanungan sila. Hindi nila alam kung ano yung plan. So si Jan ngayon lang niya nalaman na gano'n. Kasi sabi, parang binigay sa akin tanong. Sabi ko, I just heard na 5:30 pa yung yung food.